Contrast Design is a full-service design agency based on the South Coast. We create all types of media, from print work to signage to video to websites. We really specialise on the design side. We had a client who had a unique requirement. They asked us if we could design them a storage box for their games range, their driving range, for 3 of their golf clubs. It's something we knew we could do. We didn't know how we could build it, but we knew we could certainly design it. So we set about designing the product, and the client was very happy. And our initial idea was that we'd outsource it to a CNC company. The more we looked into it at the design stage, the more we realised we needed to create quite a lot of prototypes in-house. So we wondered if there was a way of using a CNC machine ourselves and making the leap and purchasing a CNC machine to take care of some of that product development work, as it was going to clearly be quite expensive to keep going to a CNC machine shop to run out different prototypes. So after doing some initial research, we came across the Yeti SmartBench, and the fact that you could effectively pack up the CNC machine and it's a full-size bed was really appealing to us. The price point looked very good. We thought we would be able to use the SmartBench to build our prototypes, then outsource the production to a bigger CNC shop. As it turns out, we actually used the Yeti SmartBench to produce nearly 100 units in-house ourselves. So the actual SmartBench paid for itself off the first project we've done. And what's amazing about that is we've actually managed to build a entirely new spin-off business off the back of the Yeti SmartBench. We've designed the product, we've developed it in-house. We can now manufacture it in-house, which is incredible given our small facility, and we can ship it worldwide. We've built our own website where clients can engage with us to purchase the product for their own clubs, and we've got a really specialised niche product that we would never or have had if we didn't have the Yeti SmartBench. Yeti is also a global product. We don't even have to manufacture. So for example, if we sell a product to somebody in Spain or Dubai, we can actually partner up with a Yeti SmartBench customer in that territory, send them the G code, they can manufacture it for us to our specification and ship it directly to the customer. So the fact that Yeti comes with a community of users who are all really friendly, it's like a big family. So when we took on this project, we prepared ourselves for a really steep learning curve, but the Yeti Academy got us up and running in days, not weeks. So the fact that the Yeti Academy is there and helps us learn in our own time and own pace, and so simply, was a real unexpected benefit of purchasing the Yeti SmartBench. Now we've got the Yeti SmartBench, we do plan to bring more work in-house, especially around our signage projects and our art projects. That's going to really help us maximise profit, which is really important in today's environment. To bring stuff in-house is a really, really useful thing for us to do, especially given we don't have to pay for an extra large facility. We can just use the small facility we have and utilise the space really effectively and really efficiently.